Hello everyone, my name is Abhay Mishra and welcome back to my channel. So I am a third year computer science student at Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Pune. I am doing my specialization in cloud computing and today we are performing this we are doing the cloud practitioner program and we will be performing this quest perform foundational infrastructure task in Google Cloud, and we have already done with these two labs. Now we will be doing cloud monitoring quick start. So let me just start the lab. So yeah, I would suggest you to do these labs on incognito mode. I usually don't do it, but yeah. I- So we have started our first task is to create a compute engine instance, and these are its properties that we need to put it. So let's just we need to go to navigation menu, compute engine, and VM instance. So we'll just go to compute engine, VM instance, and now create an instance. I'll just split the screen so that it's easy for us to do the labs. Yeah, so we have created we have like the name should be this, so I'll just copy this. Then the region should be US Central 1, so I'll just choose the region as US Central 1. So I have chosen the region as US Central 1, and then okay, and then the zone as Central 1A. Okay, and the series type should be N1, and the machine should be N1 standard 2. Okay, standard 2. Okay, so yeah, now the boot disk, we need to select the boot disk. So the boot disk, click change, select version different. Okay, this one. So I'll first of all see where is the boot disk. Yeah, boot disk. Then I'll click on change. Here I need to select version. Okay, GNU. Just a second. Okay, so we need to choose this one. Uh, I'll just type this. I'll copy this and paste it. So there is no as such is showing me. We can also check for. Okay, so Linux name is also not there. Okay, so we'll just choose this one for here, and now we'll choose the firewall. Okay. Version we have selected as okay, cool. This should be okay. This should be the 10, and okay. Now we need to and then click select. Okay, now we need to see the click allow HTTP traffic, allow HTTP traffic. Okay, so these are the properties that we have selected as it was given in the lab itself. Now we'll say create. This takes around couple of minutes to like create the create the VM instance. After it's created, then we can click on check my progress, and yeah. So basically right now what we have done is we have created a VM instance. So what a VM instance is that basically you have a PC, like for example you have your personal PC, and the hardware is the same, but many people on that same hardware can run different OSs on that. Um, a hypervisor is used in between to help with that. As you can see, we have created the VM instance. Let me just check my progress. So yeah, we have definitely done it right way. So yeah. Now the second task is to connect the Apache to HTTP server to your instance. So now we need to go to, we have created this instance. Now we need to open its SSS secure terminal. Okay. Now we are getting connected to our secure terminal. So it's establishing a connection between. Okay. It has, so now right now what we are doing, we are just updating. All these things are already, like cloud help us with that, like all the latest software and everything is installed in the VM instance itself. If we want, we can just like check for once, like if things are updated in the right way or not. We'll just say yes, why, and so basically we have installed Apache to PHP 7 version 7 in our VM instance. It's installing it right now, and now we'll just restart the server so that it will check like everything is in place and everything. So yeah, we have just restarted. Now we'll just check my progress. Hopefully it should, yeah, it's completed. Now what we need to do is return to the cloud console on the VM instance. Click on the external IP. Okay. Okay, click on the external IP for Lambda instance, and okay, so I'll just click and open in the new tab, and yeah, that server is working perfectly. I'll just click on here and we can just check. Yeah, creating a cloud monitoring. Now we will be doing a monitor. We will be creating a monitoring. What monitoring is, basically we are monitoring what all things we have done in, like what all things we have used and how much we have consumed the resource, and how things are working. So that is what we basically use monitoring for, so that we are not charged for something that we haven't used. So I'll just go to like monitoring. I'll just search here basically monitoring. Okay, so we are in monitoring. Okay, so we are here at the monitoring page. Now what it's saying is install the monitoring and logging agents. So we need to install these agents so that we can the cloud monitoring agent can collect the data and tell us like what things we are using. So we need to go to the SSH terminal, and now so this is our SSH terminal, and we'll run these commands. So yeah, okay, now we'll run this. Things are getting installed. It's working on the packages. Yeah, so installation is succeeded. Good. Now we'll create a logging agent that will log each and every thing that we do. We should wait for some time so that, Control X. I'll just do Control X. I guess there is some problem with this. No problem with that. What we can do is we need to create a, now the third task is to create a time check. Okay. So, okay. So this is, we need to create a uptime check. Okay. Okay. So I'll just follow the steps in the Cloud Console. Click uptime and check. I'll just search here uptime. Anything you wanna like anything you wanna do, you can just type here what whatever it is, and you can just search uptime checks. Create uptime check. Okay. Set the title should be this. I'll just copy paste this title, then click next. Then protocol HTTP. Okay. Then Uh, resource type should be instance. Okay. Then single, and then applies to lamp one. Okay. Path should be level at default. Leave at leave at default. Okay. Whatever it is, leave at default. And frequency, like at what time each it should. Then click next, and then click test, and then click test. Yeah. So we have this green response. Now we'll just click on create. So we have created an uptime check that will be monitoring our VM instance. Now what is the fourth task is to create an altering policy. So click altering. So we see altering here, and then after that create policy. Okay, create policy. Then we need to, I'll just click on create. Okay, just a second. We are here. We need to create a policy. Okay, so select a method showdown only active resources. Now we need to type network traffic. Okay, and then we need to create. Then we need to check VM instance. Then we need to select interfaces, and then network traffic. Okay, and then we need to create apply. Then we need to say next, and we need to set the threshold. So the threshold above. Okay, threshold position above the threshold value we need to put as 500, and in advanced option we need to select retest window to 1 minute. Okay, and then we need to click next. Okay, click down the drop down menu, and then mm, next to notification, click notification. Okay, a channel notification page will be open. Down scroll the page and click add. add new. Okay, for email, add new. In create. Okay, so okay, so we here we need to put our email IDs. So I'll just put my this email ID. So yeah, I'll just put my this email ID and my name. Okay, so I have put it here. Okay, and click, and now okay, we have done this and click on save. I have clicked on save. Okay, I'll go back to the previous altering policies. Okay, I'll just refresh this. Okay, refresh icon and display your name. Okay, now I have my name. Okay, okay, and I'll just press OK, display channel, and now I'll add a message in the document. Notify on, mention alert name. Okay, so alert name should be inbound alert traffic. Okay, and then add a message in the document. I'll just say hello, check your VM uses. Okay, and I'll just click next. Review the okay, just review this all the things and just click on create policy. Okay, so we have created the policy. I'll just check my progress. We have done. So we have completed till here. Okay, yeah, done. We have all the points in this lab. So we have successfully completed this lab. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please do subscribe and let me know if you have any doubt in this lab. And if you have any doubts in any of the lab, you can just message me or comment me there. I'll definitely try to help you out. I'll just place my uh, LinkedIn URL also. You can ping me there also if you have any problem. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.